Picanha. It's a Brazilian cut for barbecue. And this, in my opinion, is the best cut to grill because it has a little fat aside, which enhance the flavor. And in Brazil, we only do with rock salt. Normally pairing with chicken hearts, farofa, and linguiça or sausage. We call Toscana sausage or Italian sausage, but honestly, you cannot find this in the United States. Picanha you can find, but the sausage is unique. This cut with the chicken hearts and the Toscana sausage, farofa, salad, and bread, you don't need anything more. Let's enjoy life. Cheers!